Yeah! I'm so excited. Are we recording?
We're recording, babe.
Guys, welcome back to Not So Scary Mary TV. If you know, you know. Guess where we're at? You're gonna find out in the video. Stay tuned for a fun night. Yeah! We're going on a fireworks cruise! Justin, our captain.
Hello. We're gonna go on a little boat ride. So
Yeah.
A 3-hour tour?
oh, about an hour and a half.
Yeah. I'm sure he gets it a lot. He might be too young to...
He might be too young to get the Gilligan's reference, but
My dad used to watch it all the time.
There,
so I
Gilligan's
got a
Island, yeah.
little bit of it.
a little bit, yeah.
So
I'm very excited.
we got all snacks. We got a little drink.
And look, show everybody. Oh, snacks and drinks, and show everybody that's going on the cruise. I'm excited. Yay, we've all got to go through here, guys.
Oh, look, we got a Mickey towel.
All right, that's fine.
Is that good?
Very nice.
You two lovebirds have to sit next to each other?
No,
or
because they're going to be filming.
Oh, she likes to look at me.
Yeah.
Right in the back, we got all the good stuff. We got all of our drinks and snacks. There's 4 Cokes, 4 Sprites, 4 Diet Cokes, and 4 waters. Up on top, an assortment of snacks. Everyone all good?
Yeah.
Perfect. While we are exiting and entering the marina, everyone just needs to remain seated. Once we get out there, you can move seats around and do all that.
What kind of nautical training do you have?
I don't have any. I'm the passenger princess. Or whatever they're playing, right? Downstairs.
Yeah, he's downstairs. On the promenade.
What's the surprise?
Don and Jim bought us Gideon's, the cookie of the month. So this is a cookie cruise.
It's a banana box pie cookie. It's made with real bananas filled with white chocolate and our candied vanilla wafers.
Ooh, yeah! Oh, goodness
Oh, there's big marshmallows in there.
yeah. Disney Cruise First Class. Man, thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys. That was awesome. That was a
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Really
That was
appreciate it.
absolutely amazing.
Yeah, make it a close up.
It's like it's banana pudding and a cake. We just got off the firework cruise. Oh my gosh, it was amazing.
That was incredible.
I don't think this video does it justice if you guys can ever get and rent a boat to go see the fireworks. We highly recommend it.
Yeah, it's
It's emotional, it's fun, and then we shared it with so many friends. Nice Work Pals, Scoot Adventures, follow them. You're gonna see their links, and we just love them. It's awesome having friends, but Disney friends,
even better.
even better.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.